Long ago, people celebrated the sun's journey towards the north, marking the start of longer days and a new harvest season. This special festival, called Makar Sankranti, happens every year in January when the sun enters the zodiac sign Capricorn. Farmers feel happy because their hard work in the fields gives a rich harvest of crops like wheat, rice, and sugarcane. On this day, families wake up early, take a bath, and wear fresh clothes to celebrate the joy of the new season. Delicious sweets made of jaggery and sesame seeds, called Tilgul, are prepared to share love, warmth, and good wishes with everyone. In villages and cities, children and adults fly colorful kites high in the sky, competing to cut each other's kite strings. The blue sky looks magical, filled with vibrant kites of different shapes, colors, and designs, spreading cheer and excitement everywhere. Families gather on rooftops, enjoying music, snacks, and the laughter that fills the air while watching the kite battles. Cows, considered sacred, are decorated with garlands and fed special food to show respect and gratitude for their help in farming. In some regions, people light bonfires called Lohri the night before, singing folk songs and dancing around the flames. In Gujarat, Makar Sankranti is called Uttarayan, while in Tamil Nadu, it's celebrated as Pongal with traditional dishes and cultural rituals.
People also visit friends and family, exchanging gifts and blessings to strengthen bonds and spread happiness on this joyous day. Villages organize fairs with exciting rides, games, and shops selling toys, traditional clothes, and delicious food items. Children enjoy watching folk dances, puppet shows, and magic tricks performed at these vibrant fairs during the festival. In Maharashtra, women dress beautifully and distribute Tilgul sweets, saying, Tilgul gya, God bola, meaning, take sweets and speak kindly. The festival teaches sharing, kindness, gratitude, and respect for nature, values that everyone cherishes in their daily lives. As the day ends, the colorful kites disappear, but the smiles and memories of Makar Sankranti stay in everyone's hearts. Makar Sankranti reminds us to welcome change, celebrate togetherness, and thank nature for its blessings, making it a truly special festival.